Trees. Trees everywhere. But how do we go from a tree to this, lumber? Well, today we're going to talk about that. So today's lesson and the next lesson are going to be discussing how we actually go from this to this. So these have already been, one tree was already cut this morning into boards. We're going to go through the process of how we do that. These pieces right here that you see, these slats, are called stickers. Ignore the tractor in the background. We're bringing another tree onto the mill. Those stickers allow for wind, air, just basically movement so that we can dry out this wood. Remember, all the timber we're going to harvest is going to be green. In other words, have 20% moisture or more. And we want to get it down below that 20%. In fact, we want to get it down real low, single digits if possible. So here's our mill. I just want to run with you real quick on this video some different operations of the mill. Our friends over there getting another log that's already been harvested and piled up. So this mill, regardless of the brand name, there's a whole bunch of different ones. Timber King's great. I use a Woodland Mills. So if we take a look, we have the bed in the track. We have dogs. That's these things. These are going to actually help hold the log on. Over at the mill, we've got a big giant thing of water, and that's because that water is going to be dripping onto our blade while we're running. And I know you're like, water and metal and blades? Yes, we want to keep that blade lubed and cool while we're cutting. You'll see it in the video. Obviously, we have a gas motor, big 20-horse Kohler, fuel tank, and all this is a big bandsaw, just like at school, except for it's on its side. And the log does not move. The saw moves on a track. As you can see, I can move the saw, and you'll see it in the next video, that too. So we're going to go ahead and get a log loaded on, and I'm going to set the camera down so I can go ahead and do this and help out. So hold tight here while I set the camera so you can still see. All right. I'll stop the video there, and we're going to get this set up, ready to log, or saw up I should say, and we'll go through that in another video, so hold tight.